hakatanat jongka District Medical Health Office jongka Ribhoi District haka khandai tarik yayong arhajar arpuwe kala pelong ye ka jingrakhi ye ka World Homeopathy Day hanong po parish hall kane ka jingrakhi ka long rukum shibanta ban kan mau buro me ka sngi kha ka ba arspa andru punriu snem jong unong lap ningkong bat ubasdang ningkong ye kane ka jait jing sumar haka perthei hi borok away ubala jutep kerteng ko Samuel Haneman haka ne ka sngi lai don rengkat lang UMLA ka nongpo constituency ba Meral Bons im kumu kongsan u additional deputy commissioner Ribhoi district uba M Tongper kumu sembut kongsan bat haka jing don lang u DMNHO jong ka Ribhoi district u Dr Mauri bat ki wei pat ki doktor pat ki riu rangba
nina beli dokumen bani rengkat sngi ban mau ya ka sngi kha ka ba arspa unriu John Dr. Christian Frederick Samuel Haneman. Kemudian unong sek, John Medical Homeopathy, apokan percaya baru founder. Akhirnya ini John ki Jim Sumar Homeopathy, iba idan apokari. Science and technology, laboratory dan reporting. Kita ciput ki start rekam lembaga Ministry of Health and Family Welfare apo kasokan India itu kumju lembaga sokar jelas lembaga health department kita betul kemudian kesini pengiran ini jadi jong homeopathy dan ke alopati dan ke ayurveda perkumpulan kita ayurvedik kita semua dawai kita kaya kita niju penengkam apa misitom but pada sini kita diingat kita lebih kita sini bantu mau kita sini bantu observe kita sini kita kalau si bentar bantu mau ini bahkan kau ini kita semua kita landai kita slam kepada untuk kenaikan imlang salang society ini bagi kita. Kita pun daripada kami hidup di semua bagi dawai alopati kita hidup kam nak support. Wat akan tahu kita sibuk daripada kami bagi sistem penumpang hidup lecture doktor kita menjadi homeopathic doktor kita menjadi ayurvedic doktor bagi orang semua bagi jam. Kita kan sibuk kiwi-kiwi semua. Kita wajib terai, hantam ni hari kasih kita kan sibuk sekali pat kita semua. Kita penengkam kembar, lagi selah, lagi snapping, lagi tip, berkuda, kan semua yang Jepang itu. Kini kita begini kebaca, yang dia hantam beri baca ayurveda. Kita kan begini kebaca, jadi kita mikir kawan itu sendiri.
We don't, this homeopathy thing, it's been there for 160 years, actually, 1700s. But it has been adopted very recently. It's like an abandoned child in the health stream. So it's really a pleasure to have Mauri here. It shows it really encourages, it shows there's an acceptance now of homeopathy as a standard form of diseases, right? And like I think Paula mentioned when she read about the history of some animal, it's about likes giving likes. Earlier there was a doubt. They say that how does this help when you give this small amount of you give small amount of the medicine, how does it help hearing the disease? But if you look at the vaccination today, it works on the same principle. When you give vaccines, a small amount of the virus, the active virus is given to the body, so that once you get a disease, you can fight back. So it just justifies homeopathy also. They give a small amount, and the best part is there are no side effects. And I have had my own personal experiences with homeopathy. I've tried many antibiotic medicines. Nothing. I don't mean anything bad. This homeopathy. Like for years, but then suddenly, there's one doctor in this bazaar. I took this medicine just for a month, and I could see the effects.